welcome back to my channel. This is Fashwika, the channel where we talk about making money online as a career person, as an artist. In today's video, we will going to talk about the VISTA Create. It's the most requested video on how to make a template or a brief in VISTA Create and to submit it for making money as a VISTA Create contributor. So I'm going to be showing you the exact process step by step on how to make a template, a brief in VISTA Create, and then actually submit it for review to make money via VISTA Create contributor. So without further ado, let's get straight with that. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we're gonna upload new video, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. The link is in the description box below. You're gonna get the early access to my YouTube videos, the niche ideas, the keyword list, a lot more is there. Make sure you check it out. The link is in the description box below. Now, before actually diving into my laptop, I'm gonna giving you here a big disclaimer, guys. Everything that I'm going to be sharing in this video are based on my own experience and knowledge, and take into consideration that I'm making this template for the very first time. Okay, I don't have an experience as a VISTA Create contributor. I'm making this template for the very first time after getting an approval by the VISTA Create community. They approve me as being a contributor, and then they are actually allowed me to join their Facebook group. And once I join them, there is a rules and design rules and guidelines. I've already made a video on that. I'm going to leave that in the card section below. Make sure to check it out. So after all those rules and after going through everything, I decided to actually pick a 1 or 2 topics on which I'm going to be making a template, and then I finally buckle it down to choose one of the topic on which I'm gonna be making a template. Now, I'm doing this for very first time. Please take my advice with a grain of salt, because I'm not an experienced VISTA Create contributor. This is the very first time I'm gonna be creating a template with you guys and showing you how to create a template. Okay, it may not be the perfect template. I'm gonna make a template based on what I know, but VISTA Create rules and regulations and design guidelines are a little bit different for becoming VISTA Create contributors. So I'm not sure whether I'm gonna be accepted, whether my design will going to be accepted or rejected. I'm not exactly sure about that, but I'm gonna show you the process. So let's dive into my laptop and I'm gonna show you the process. Currently we are on the VISTA Create. Now I'm going to show you how to create a template and then how to submit it for review for getting an approval. If it gets approval, you're gonna make money via the template. If it's not approved, it will be rejected, and then either you can resubmit it after making the changes, or you can make a new one. So I'm gonna making template, guys. Just log in into your account, just sign into your account when you quickly go to the VISTA Create, and then take a look at the Facebook group of the VISTA Create Creative Hub community, and look at what are the recent topics or ideas or occasion that they have actually mentioning you to make a template on, whether it's related to some occasion, some event, some holiday. Take a look at that, the topic idea, the rules on how to make a design and all that stuff, and then get started with making a template. Okay, you don't want to make a template anything out of random and expect it to get an approval from VISTA Create. It is very less likely they're gonna approve it, so you probably have to make a template for which they want. Okay, they're gonna keep you updated in their Facebook group, so please join in their Facebook group and take a look at the post that they have actually posting in the Facebook group related to what different topic ideas or niche ideas or what occasions that you can make a template or brief. I'm gonna be making a template around maybe a cleaning service or maybe a sale. So that's the 2 different kinds of topic idea I'm having in my mind. At the time of filming this video, they are having the cleaning service and the sale info template idea on their calendar. I mean, you can make the template related to that at the time of filming this video. Maybe after 1 month or 2 months, this template idea won't remain. They're gonna keep you updated, which is the new idea or new topic that you want to create your template on. Option create any design, and we're going to go over to the flyer. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up a flyer and we will going to create a cleaning service. Pick a blank flyer. I mean, you can take a look at what other flyers are there, but you have to make it for your own. So just go over to the blank flyer. Use the object shapes, background and photos for VISTA Create Media Library. For over here, cleaning service. I'm gonna bring some picture over here. You can take a look at the different pictures that they are having and which you want to take it for your projects. So I'm gonna bring this picture over here. I think this one looks more apt. And I'm gonna increase its size. Your picture needs to be clear, guys, okay? It don't need to be blurry. Now this is a couple that actually cleaning. So this is related to the home, okay, guys. Now this is the picture is coming over here. Now, so let me just bring some text. Let's choose some font over here. So let me choose that font style. This one look more apt. Bring it over here. And I'm gonna be writing over here. Let's clean. And 29. What do you think? And just okay. Thing to I'm gonna decrease the letter spacing a bit. Okay, so let's clean. Then we have we offer cleaning services at your doorstep. Okay, I'm gonna change its color. Now its color is right now it's something like that. I'm gonna keep it as a black. And I'm gonna increase the font size to 25. What do you think? So we offer cleaning services. So we offer cleaning services at your doorstep. And then I'm gonna add this one. Give us a call. Then I could have the number. So I can have, okay, call us at this number. Or, I mean, I can keep this thing over here. And then I can duplicate this. And I can write the website over here. www.cleaninghome.com. So that kind of stuff you can do. Now you can see this font is looking very weird, so I need to have an open sans. But still, the problem is that give us a call and the line spacing, line height is not proper. So I'm gonna give it the line spacing so that it look more apt. And then I'm gonna remove this dash over here. Same likewise, I'm gonna decrease the font size over here so that they all come in one line. So it's to our pale green. Let's clean, and I'm gonna have a box over here that we're going to cover the let's clean. Okay, so I think I'm gonna bring this one rather than anything. And I'm gonna change its color. Let's clean. Something around those corners. So colors art. Now I have made a quite simple one. The background color to white only. I think I don't need anything over here. Duplicate this one, guys. I'm just gonna duplicate and bring this one over here. So let's clean. We offer cleaning services at your doorstep, and you can have some different tools. 21. Okay. outline, shadow, text box. I think text box is more fine with me. I'm going to go to the effects and have the box color as lighter green, little bit more. So let's clean, and then we have these two arrows and bring it a little bit over here. This one over here and this one. Okay. Here we are with the line. I'm gonna bring this line over here. Okay. And we can decrease its size. And I'm gonna duplicate this one instead. Duplicate. And I'm gonna bring it over here and boom. Remove the backgrounds too. Or we can edit our picture. Instead, I'm gonna bring this thing over here. So I'm gonna just crop it over here. Now I'm gonna bring something over here. So I'm gonna bring some. So I make its color as a project color. Duplicate. Duplicate. And decrease its size. And just move it a little bit over here. So you can see submit this flyer for getting an approval from Vista Create. I mean, you can do the stuff which you want to do over here. You can add it, text and you can do a lot of the stuff. But I'm going to go over to the section over here. Go over back to this option over here. And now I'm going to go over to the option My Projects. Now you can see this is our project that we have actually made using the Vista Create stuff. Okay, you just need to go over to the section My Project on the Vista Create homepage itself. You're gonna see that, or you can simply go over to this option over here as well, like My Projects, and you're gonna land over this page. Once you're done over here, go over to your design, and then you're gonna see these three dots, and then you have to go over to the third option, that is Submit for Review. So your template has been successfully submitted. So we have submitted our template for review. So once Vista Create community or Vista Create people will going to review our design, and if it's get approval, you're going to automatically see your template live in the Vista Create template gallery, and you're going to see the money in your earnings section, that your template has been accepted and you receive a money from Vista Create. That's, you can go over to the contributor design section from your My Projects tool tab, and you're gonna see, if you hover over to question mark, you're gonna see moderation takes 3 to 5 business days. So that's all you have to do while making a template or a brief on Vista Create and submitting for review. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you tried for the Vista Create contributor? Have you submitted your first template? It's rejected or accepted? What's the case is? What's the process? Are you in the process of actually going with the Vista Create contributor? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And also guys, I'm not sure whether this design will going to be accepted or rejected, but I will let you know whether it's accepted or rejected. But guys, if your design has been accepted or your template brief has been accepted, you're gonna see the money in your account, okay? And whether you're gonna see money in your account. And if it is being rejected, you're gonna see its rejected option in the design sections, where you can see how many designs you have been submitted, whether it's hold on review, rejected, accepted, whatever it is. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.